phrase that struck me the most was when he said, luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Because a number of times people just say, okay, this person is lucky, this person is lucky, maybe they got a fast break or something. But then we really don't see like the things that happen or that they do in the background. So that's one learning that I'm really holding on to and taking from this.
Okay. I'm just trying to check my notes and see what I've written down. I just feel like one thing I also picked from today's session is the fact that if you can't if you can't lead yourself, you won't be entrusted to lead others. Like self leadership is paramount. You have to like lead yourself in different areas of life, in career, in spiritual life, your spirituality, your health. Like it must be evident that you are you are getting it right before you can now show others the way to go, that okay, this is how I did it, this is how I was able to achieve this. So self leadership precedes leadership leading others. So that was what I actually that's one thing I that struck my mind, that was what I gained in his teaching today.
As I'm in communication with Dr. Ina, I'm just waiting for him to join online. You are welcome, distinguished.